key roles is the smart housekeeping management system. I can assign rooms, I can monitor task completion, and I can even track energy use in real time. Okay, cut. It's not just about convenience, it helps to reduce paper usage and improves workflow efficiency. The less time we spend on manual coordination, the more time you can spend on quality service. Good morning, team. Welcome to another day at Housekeeping Hotel, where we combine smart technology and also sustainability to deliver top quality service. Now let's review our tasks by using smart housekeeping management system. Jingle, you will handle room 201 using the robotic vacuum. Jingle, you are on waste sorting and recycling. Zhen, please demonstrate our energy saving systems in one of the rooms. Hong Ting, take care of gas service for power reuse education. Zi, check and restock supplies using the digital inventory system with eco-friendly items. Now, let's make today an efficient, clean, and green. Off you go. Okay.
Today, we will use robotic vacuum to clean our room 011. It saves time, reduces electricity use, and makes our work more easier. I can monitor and control it with this app, and it can match the room for the efficient cleaning. This kind of technology can help us to clean faster and more sustainably. I also maintain a rubber vacuum to keep them efficient. I always check the dust filter, clean the wheels, and make sure the sensors are working properly. A well-maintained robot uses less power and lasts longer. That's sustainability in action.
Hi, I'm Juliet, the waste management staff. At Princeton Hotel, we focus on the waste management. Here, I separate trash into three bins: glass, paper, and plastic. Now I am going to show you how I separate this trash into the recycle bin. So it reduces waste going to landfill and help us to meet our environmental targets. We train our staff to maintain high sustainability standards. We recently introduced a composting initiative for organic waste. Food scrap from rooms and staff area are collected separately. This reduces methane emissions from landfills and turns waste into something useful. Fertilizer for our forests.
Hi, I'm Zi'en. I'm energy saving staff. Energy saving plays an important part in our hotel daily operation. For example, our room use motion sensor lighting. When no one is in the room, the lights will turn off automatically. We set our air conditioning to an optimal temperature, not too cold, just comfortable. This reduces energy use without sacrificing comfort. This simple action helps us save power and reduce carbon emission. And remember to unplug devices when they are not in use. Even on standby, they still consume electricity. Here at Greenstay Hotel, we don't just save energy, we track it in real time. This dashboard shows which rooms are using the most electricity. For example, we can spot when lights or AC are left on too long. Using this data, we remind staff and guests to turn off devices when not in use. We have seen a very obvious drop in unnecessary energy use. It is all about using information to stay smart and sustainable.
Housekeeping.
Good morning, I'm from the housekeeping department. Today I would like to share you about the towel reuse program. To save water and reduce detergent use, we encourage guests to hang their towel if they want to reuse. If they just left on the floor, we will replace it. So it is a small step, but it makes a big difference for the environment. As a part of green policy, we inform guests about our eco-friendly amenities. They are the soap, tissue paper, and the shampoo, which are made from the sustainable source. So guests appreciate the thought that we put into every detail. It's about making sustainability feel personal.
Hi, I'm Zi'en. I'm an inventory staff. We always restock amenities for guests during housekeeping. I'm using our digital inventory system to track and refill housekeeping supplies today. Instead of single-use bottle, we use refillable dispenser for shampoo and soap. This reducing plastic waste and help us manage stock more efficiently. Everything we use is chosen for both quality and environmental impact. Each week, I do a waste audit of leftover or expired supplies. This helps us to understand usage pattern and avoid overstocking. Tracking these details help us reduce the unnecessary waste and stay within our green goals.
Everyone, please come over here. excellent work today, everyone. You have all demonstrated how we use both technology and sustainability to improve our housekeeping. From robotic vacuums to towel reuse and also smart inventory, every detail matters. Let's keep up the great work and continue to lead the way in eco-friendly hospitality. Green State Hotel.
Green, smart, clean.
When each of us plays our part, we create a smarter, greener hotel together. This is how Green State Hotel continues to lead in sustainable housekeeping.